When I think about my time at Earlham, I think about great friends. I think about rigorous intellectual endeavors. I think about having the opportunity to try out everything I wanted to try out. My name is Sonat Hart. I am the owner and founder with my husband of Distillery in Chicago, Illinois. Koval is now the largest completely independent craft distillery in the United States with over 55 export markets. I am an Earlhamite, class of '95, and I was an English major. An Earlham education is incredibly beneficial because it really teaches you what it takes to succeed. When I went to graduate school, I felt unbelievably well prepared. And in fact, I had professors that say, wow, you can write an essay, or, they were a little shocked. It's more that it's a skill that one can do okay, but it's a skill that one could also learn to do really well. And I think that that's where Earlham makes the difference, is those humanities classes, they really teach you. I went on a campus visit and I went to some of the classes, and I remember walking across the Hart and then going even into the back of these 80 acres of just beautiful forests and little ponds and a stable with horses, and the whole stable was run by Earlham students, and it just seemed like a very unique environment. From where we started to now, we've gone from just my husband and I and our 2 kids in a pack and play to now over 50 full and part-time employees, not just in Chicago, but also all over the world. We have people who work for Koval. We produce around 60,000 gallons of alcohol a year. We export all over the world. You will find Koval everywhere from Japan to Australia, New Zealand, to Canada, to all across the United States. We're happy that we're in an industry that's about good times. It's been fun. We've won awards all over the world, over 50 international awards, most of them gold medal awards. And Robert and I were awarded the Small Business Persons of the Year in 2017, and we were Illinois Exporter of the Year. So it's been nice that the business has been successful and that we were able to compete in this way. But it's most important that we're doing what we love with family in the city that we hold dear to our hearts.